गोडेमुताच्यो वाडट्यो केशी नियंत्रणात हाडपा हेतान गोंय सरकारान चेंजिंग डायबिटीज बॅरोमिटर कार्यावळ परत लॉन्च केल्या। ह्या मोहिमे खाला डायबिटीजाचें दुयेंस आशिल्ल्या गोंयकारांक फुकट इन्सुलिन दितले। ANM आनी बालवाडी कर्मचाऱ्यांक घेवन गोंयभर गोडेमुता विशीं जागृताय करपाचें थारलां। नवो नॉर्डिस्क एज्युकेशन फाउंडेशना बरोबर मेळून सरकारान ही मोहीम परत सुरू केल्या।
बदलते लायफस्टायली, खाणा जेवणा आनी बदलत्या संवयींतल्यान गोडेमुताचें प्रमाण वाडटा। देशाचे सरासरी परस गोंयांत डायबिटीजाचें प्रमाण चड म्हूण आरोग्य संचालक दोतोर संजीव दळवी सांगता।
And food and cultural habits have made us prone to developing diabetes. According to National Health Family Survey 4, the incidence of diabetes in Goa was found to be higher than the national average. We'll improve access to treatment and set up 15 community diabetic centers across Goa. Outcome that is, we will digitalize the diabetic registry so that each doctor can track the clinical progress of every individual patient and enable better health outcomes for the Goans.
डायबिटीजा विशीं जागृती खंय बालवाडी आनी ANM कर्मचाऱ्यांक आदाराक घेतले।
Then too we had tied up with the Novo Nordisk Education Foundation, and today once again we are tied up, and I'm so happy that we have tied up with them because we are taking this initiative forward. So many people suffering from diabetes and having complications of diabetes and don't know how to move forward. There are so many people who don't talk about but quietly suffer, and as a result of which it is time for the state not to look back but to move forward on trying to create that type of awareness that is required to fight this killer disease, which is a silent disease called diabetes, which not only is solved by just taking insulin, but also it takes you to such a level where some people lose their vision, some people have cardiac disease, some people have other complications, some people have kidney failures, and you constantly see people coming to the hospitals to undertake different types of treatment at different stages of complications, which we do not want in our society today. The most important part, why we are here today, why the students are here today, why the HODs are there today, why the Anganwadi workers are here today, is to try and connect you to this issue and this program that we are taking forward. Because it is through you that this awareness can be created. It is through you that this message can be taken forward. And
गोंय सरकारान नवो नॉर्डिक्स एज्युकेशन फाउंडेशना कडेन कबलात केल्या आनी डायबिटीज बॅरोमिटर कार्यावळ परत लॉन्च केल्या। डायबिटीज केअर सेंटर, उपचार आनी जागृतीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान डायबिटीज नियंत्रणात हाडपाचो कार्यावळीचो हेतू। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी।
बाणावलेच्या होली ट्रिनिटी ग्राउंडाचो इशू जाला। SCGचो हो ग्राउंड जाय तेन्ना काडून नॅशनल टीमीक मोठ्या क्लबांक वापरूंक दितात। बाणावलेच्या भुरग्यांनी खंय खेळपाचें काय म्हूण थळाव्यांनी इशू केला। सध्या थंय ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनाचे एज ग्रुपाची प्रॅक्टीस चलता। 4 ते 5:30 मेरेनचो वेळ बाणावलेच्या भुरग्यांक दिवचो म्हूण थळावे फातोड्डा स्टेडियमाच्या मॅनेजराक मेळ्ळे। ताणें 7 दिसाचो प्राझ मागला।
Means to adjust on one side. Yesterday also we asked the same thing, but he was not agreed. Might be now they're meeting some what is going on, we don't know. But still, he said that he's going to adjust it.
What you all
We're going to support for
What you all want?
We want 4 to 5:30. We told them that 4 to 5:30 we're going to adjust for 8 days, and after that the result should be our side, not on their side. And after that, if they are not giving on us, then we'll show the power of our Benawli people.
वुमन्स नॅशनल्सा वेळार ग्राउंड दिलो, चेन्नई FCकूय ग्राउंड दिलो। आतां नॅशनल टीम नोव्हेंबर मेरेन प्रॅक्टीस करतली। बाणावलेच्या भुरग्यांक ग्राउंड केन्ना मेळपाचो?
आतां कितें जालां तें बुकींग तेंगे फूल। आतां आमकां सांगिल्लें तेमी टील नोव्हेंबर ग्राउंड इज बुक। सो आतां नोव्हेंबर पासून आमचे भुरगे कितें करतले? And they are practicing morning as well as evening. Our request is give us just 1.5 hour slot. If we discourage children, and even we have observed that when our center was running well, we get a daily attendance of 90 to 95 people per day. Amka registration are 150. If such problems come up, then our attendance drop to 70, even 60% jata. आता 60 भुरग्यांक आनी वयर व्हरपाक व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट।
कितले दीस जाले तुमकां हें मेळना?
हें आतां स्टार्ट जालें तें गर्ल्स नॅशनल जालें तेन्ना आमकां तेमी रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो प्रेस्टिजियस टोर्नामेंट सब ज्युनियर गर्ल्स। वी एग्रीड वी डू नॉट सी एनी प्रॉब्लम। आतां चेन्नई FC चेन्नई सोरोन तो क्लब बेनावलीन प्रॅक्टीस करता। आनी इंडिया सगळ्यो एज ग्रुप टीम बेनावली प्रॅक्टीस करपाक सोदताय. सो आमची प्रोग्राम टोटली डिस्टर्ब जाला.
विशय वयर मेरेन पावयता कितें ते 7 दिसां भितर सांगता म्हूण फातोड्डे स्टेडियमाचो मॅनेजर सांगता.
We had our bookings for the other clubs like home matches and all that, like FC, all FCs are playing on this ground for the practicing. And normally they choose the time 4 to 6:30. So that time we told them that we can provide you the ground, we provide you the timing, subjected that our program should go there. That doesn't only SAG program, because we have to generate the revenue also. In that matter we have said it. So now they are saying that we have given the ground for the this All India Football Federation. They have the Indian team. So they are saying that they are not. The time is not feasible. That is the time for the GFDC. So now, in order to adjust the timing, they have come over here and they had a representative saying that they should be given 4 to 6:30. Which is generally everybody wants that timing. There is a pressure on that time. That is time slot. Every FC comes, some other clubs come. They want that timing only. So I said I will put this matter to the higher authority and I will give the decision within a week.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सव्यो डायस.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.